Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your TradingView strategies with OKX using TradeAdapter to automate your trades. Before we start, let me show you how this works. TradingView generates the buy and sell signals. TradeAdapter receives those alerts and converts them into real orders. OKX executes the trades directly on your account. That's the full automation flow. Let's get started. We'll begin by creating an API key within OKX. To do this, click on Account, select the API option, and Continue. Next, select Create API Key and enter a name to identify the account. Then, enter the IP address of your TradeAdapter and set a trading password. Once everything is ready, click on Create API Key. Next, let's open TradingView and select the pair we're going to use. In this example, we'll use Doge USDT. Now let's select the strategy. Open Indicators and in the search bar, look for Super Trend Strategy, which we will use as an example to generate trading signals in this setup. Once the indicator is attached to the chart, you will see the buy and sell signals appear. From there, we can create our alerts. Click on Create Alert and make sure the condition is correctly linked to your strategy. Next, switch to the Message tab, where we enter a clear and descriptive name for the alert, so it's easy to identify later. To complete the last field, go to the TradeAdapter website, open the Instructions section, and look for the message generator specifically for OKX. Enter your API key along with its password. Then, generate the message, copy it, and paste it directly into TradingView. Under the Notifications tab, make sure the webhook URL option is enabled. After running the setup for some time, our strategy begins generating signals in TradingView, and each of them is automatically processed through TradeAdapter. To verify that everything has been handled correctly, we can go to the TradeAdapter website and open the My Trades section. Here we can review each received order, including the order type, the symbol, the execution price, and the broker's response. This allows us to confirm that each signal was converted successfully. Once the trades have been confirmed, the final step is to verify the execution directly on the broker. Since we are using an OKX account, we can open the trading panel and check the list of completed trades. This section displays all executed orders, allowing us to confirm that the trades sent from TradingView and processed by TradeAdapter were executed correctly in our account. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.